All right, hello again. This is Jeff Scott, your instructor for the online version of 152-157 Website Development XHTML CSS for the fall 2015 semester at Blackhawk Technical College. I'm now going to go over the homework for Chapter 9, which is on pages 431, 432, and 433. In this example, what you're going to do is you're going to create the contact form, which we have not had before. They have you create an unbelievably simplistic form. There'll be a label with your name, a label with your email, a label here with comments, and a submit button. So again, follow your instructions as they're shown right here, and you shouldn't have any problem with it. All right. They also ask you to use a couple HTML5 controls. So let's jump over here. Wanted to mention something to you. This is what it's going to look like for Chapter 9. So it's back to this. Here's your home page. There's your listings page. There's your financing page. And here's your contact page. As of right now, unless I change it, and I'm not going to, you can change it if you want to, there's an error in the code. What your code does is when you click the Send Now button, when you click that, well, we'll fill it out all the way. So Jeff Scott, J Scott at blackhawk.edu. Want to buy a new home quick. All right. Now when I click this, it goes to another page. And what it's doing here is you're calling the author's page. So I'm trying to see this right now. The example that I gave you, instead of having it come out to here, to web dev, etc., the one that I gave you, and I don't know why it's like that, but it says here Fish Creek, which is one of the other case studies. So yours looks like this. So if yours happens, so if you're here, okay, and you come to your contact page and you type in your stuff, all right, and you click the Send Now, if yours comes up and it has Fish Creek on it, just change the word Fish Creek right there to prime. So what you're doing in here is you're creating this form. Previously, when we were in Chapter 8, for example, when we were in Chapter 8, Prime Chapter 8, and you brought up the index file, and you click Contact, nothing happened because your page was not made. You didn't have it. So in Chapter 9, you are creating that contact page. So when you do click it, it's going to bring up this. Follow the instructions. You shouldn't really have any trouble. Okay? Now I'm going to go back, and what I'm going to do in the next lecture is I'm going to pretty much take that contact form that we had created earlier, this one, make some fairly minor changes to it, and put that into the Donald Trump website. So I'll be back with that shortly.